How to find gender settings on Spotify, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find gender settings. First open your Spotify and now click on your profile here in top corner and then click settings and now just not settings, I mean click account and here we'll find account settings, then just scroll down until you find here profile. Now click edit profile and then here we'll find your gender and here you can change it and then just click save profile and it will be saved and that's it. You can change here date of birth and then country and region and your email, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.